Welcome back to another hiking episode. It's been a little since I've done just a hiking video, so here we go. We will be hiking in Guanella Pass, hiking up to a pair of Alpine lakes, including Silver Dollar Lake and Murray Lake. That will take us up a little bit over 12,000 feet above sea level. Let's jump on in the hike. Welcome to the hike. We're doing the Silver Dollar Lake Trail. If you don't already know, I got a little Arnie Palmer here. Get a little caffeine in the system. It's a little shaken up. What? You couldn't ask for a better day. It is gorgeous. And yeah, overall this is just cool. So let's get going on this hike and let's keep on trucking. I'll probably talk once we get to the top. Let's just cut into this cool scenic shots, get a little cool music on. I'll see you at the lake. Welcome to the end of the hike. Behind me is just beautifulness. Wow, for how relatively this hike wasn't that hard. There were like two sections that were you got huffing and puffing a bit, but I would say this would be either very hard easy or very low medium hike. It's kind of like on that edge, just because of the altitude. For some people, I can understand this will be pretty hard, but anyway, so this hike overall is an out and back trail. It should be, if you start at the trailhead, a little over 3 miles. I did not. I actually started at the bottom of the dirt road of the trailhead. So this for me is going to be, I think, almost 5 miles and a few hundred more feet of climbing. The parking lot was just packed, and yeah, so it is what it is. And overall, this is just gorgeous. What a perfect, beautiful day. It is just, man, the temperature is just like you don't get, it's not too hot, it's not too cold, just right to enjoy the day. So overall, it is a great hike. This is really cool. It takes you up past 3 lakes. The one has another trail going to it. The other 2, you go like right up to them. So I'm at the upper lake. I don't remember the name of the stupid lake, but the one below me, right below, like a half mile down, is called Silver Dollar Lake, and that one is just gorgeous. It is like so blue, so pristine, just, man. But overall, not a bad hike at all. It's not too bad. The dirt road is a little steep, so take that as you will. Maybe like a normal car. You might want to park at the bottom. But it is beautiful. Just, yeah, I'll take this for the hike. I'll take this. So cool stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed the hike. It is going to be a few shots getting back down, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, before I go, I want to show you a couple things. I think it's kind of cool. So right up top here, we are actually very close to the main trailheads to do Mount Bierstadt, which is a cool, very approachable 14er not far from Denver. And that is right there. See this? Right here on the right? Right? Hold on, I have this now. It is right there. See that kind of peak on the right that I'm circling? That is Mount Bierstadt. Just to the left is the famous Mount Evans, which is now called Mount Blue Sky. And those are two 14,000 foot peaks. The one you can actually drive to the top of, which is really cool. And the other one is very approachable to hike. So this area in this road just outside between Georgetown and I think the other end spits you out at Bailey, yeah, has a ton of fantastic, awesome hiking for the summer. And if you'd come here in the winter, just like any hikes, when you start getting into high altitude, make sure you're prepped for the winter stuff because it can get really dangerous really quick up here. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one.